Hi everyone, it's Gloria playing in the snow right now. How fun is that? Hubby's like, what you're doing? Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! Alright, gotta go inside the car. Check out our snow here, guys. Yeah, it's been snowing right now and we're out of the house. It's kind of fun. And I am close here by Barnes and Nobles. Yeah, walking in the snow. Hubby is waving his head. Oh, nodding his head because I've been crazy. Playing around in the snow. Oh well, it's fun for me. Gotta go into the Barnes and Nobles, guys. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Alright, I'm in Barnes and Nobles now, guys. Having fun here. Again, it's my happy place. There's a lot of good deals here again. Look at this, guys. Oh, sorry for that. Clearance for 50% off again, which is kind of cool.